dance artist from Leicestershire. I recently did lessons with YDA and I had Richard, who was absolutely amazing. He has so much experience and he helped me get all over my little nerves with driving, and thankfully today I passed. So thank you to Richard, I appreciate all his help, and yeah, thank you Richard and YDA.
Hi, my name's Hamad. Just had my driving test and I passed first time, thankfully. And yeah, my instructor was Salman. I had a really good time. I only had to take a few lessons. And yeah, I had a great experience. He taught me all I needed to know, and yeah, didn't have any issues with the test.
Hi, my name is Arij and I've been taking lessons with Salman, and I'm so pleased to say that I passed my exam today. Thank you so much for all your hard work and great experience that you gave me. And I'm so excited to finally start driving, and thank you YDA.
3. I passed the test today, and then thank you Salman. He's a very good instructor. He got a lot of experience. If you want to pass your test, go for him, please. And thank you Salman again, and also thank you YDA. Thank you.